My name is John Zachary. Thanks for stopping by my channel. On my way to work this morning, I just want to do a short little clip here on car shows. What do we think about car shows, and where do we think car shows are headed? What do we need to do to keep the car show legend going for the future generations and the future cars? Hey, before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Give me a thumbs up and click the bell there for any future videos that I put out, that you make sure you won't miss. I started going to car shows when I was a young kid. I don't even remember, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, with my mom and dad. They were members of Seven Valley Street Rock Club here in Cortland, New York, and we traveled the Northeast to shows everywhere. Outdoor shows, the East Coast Nationals, Hickory, Carlisle, Hershey, Little York. There were shows all the time. And then in the winter, the club would do the indoor circuit. And back then, the indoor circuit was a great set of car shows. They had TV stars there on hand. They had featured cars that were like mega customs, mega money cars. It was a big thing back then. And the clubs that would enter the shows would have competition on best club display. So I remember Seven Valley would spend months prior to a show getting ready by building sets and costumes and everything for these indoor shows. And they were great. Syracuse, Elmira, Utica. I'm not really sure. I was pretty young of all the different locations, but you know, in central New York area. Yeah, that was fun. And nowadays, shows are still popular. We have the Syracuse Nationals here in Syracuse, New York every year. I believe around 8,000 entries a year. And our local shows seem to be real good on attendance and participation as well. I've been to a couple so far this summer, and they've been good. They've been good shows, so the interest is still there. I'm just worried about the future of car shows, like the next generation, the kids nowadays. What are they going to be building and showing? And are they going to be accepted into these car shows? You know, because it's always been, you know, street rods and antiques and customs and early muscle cars, but now there's a whole new generation of muscle cars, like I'm driving, so maybe that's why I'm a little partial to this. But, you know, and the tuners scene is huge. Them guys are really into their cars. And along with that, we got the rat rod scene too. That's big. We went to a rat rod show last year, and it was pretty good. I think it was the second year of it. So for being the second year, there was a lot of participation, and the crowd was decent as well. They had bands and DJs and entertainment and stuff for people to do. They had competitions on like removing spark plugs out of heads and stuff. So stuff like that people want to do at a car show. Just want to get your guys' input, see what you guys think. What kind of shows you go to, what kind of shows you'd like to see more of, or more things to do at a car show when you're there. I think I want to do a series here on what it takes to enter a car show from a participant's perspective, what it takes for a club or a group of people to put on a car show, what a spectator looks for when they go to a car show on a weekend. Stay tuned, make sure you check it out. I'm definitely going to do these series on these, and let me know, give me some comments, so that way in my next few videos I can react to your comments, tell our viewers what you guys are looking for, and help spread the word. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm almost at work now, so I guess I'll talk to you later. Hey, don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Thank you. See ya.